We have success because we play hard, because we're tough, because we move on to the next play, because we're together. Success, failure doesn't change us. All right, like that's who we're becoming. All right, we get another opportunity, second opportunity to do this today. And like I said, this is like a championship game. Let's go out there to make this a fight from the most humble space. Everything we got just to give ourselves a good and Merry Christmas.
Ticket game starts right where he left off. He loves that right corner.
Guys that were out, you saw what it looked like at the start defensively. Let's take it up to that level. All right, physicality, rebounds, run. Go white, go white.
Just to be on a new team, they want to win. Gaines cannot miss. Oduro back in the game. Turns. Josh Oduro, the blue guy, Gaines again. He is scalding hot. Carter with a spin. That was pretty. That takes us to the break.
Right now, this is all I want to see. Transition, you get to the rim, get to the rim. He got fouled, he had Devin. And that's our transition. Here we go.
Hopkins with some space. Bryce Hopkins attacks the rim. Oduro with a beautiful move. Hey, what? Freshman. Butler. Flying the freshman. Short. Hopkins with the offensive rebound. Hopkins puts it back for time. Oduro with three. Push back for Carter. Down the chimney he came. Oduro's going to take it to the basket. And he finishes with 11.8. He will go to the free throw line. Davis does. Providence, no timeouts. Pierre driving. Pierre up to Ticket Gaines. Unbelievable! We're tied. The win. Overtime in Friartown.
What the game is, if we can be pinned down there.
What a wild game in Providence. Oduro playing with 4 fouls. Josh Oduro. Carter. Hit that for Federal Hill. Terrific job. Devin Carter. An unforgettable pre-Christmas present for the Providence Friars.
You guys decide to come together explosion. It cannot be tough.
Mindset on 3, 1, 2, 3.
Mindset!